Welcome back everyone. In this segment, we will be discussing the different types of inspection bodies as categorized by ISO 17020. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for compliance and for selecting the appropriate type of inspection body for your needs. ISO 17020 categorizes inspection bodies into three types: Type A, Type B, and Type C. Each type has specific characteristics and levels of independence that affect how they operate. Let's delve into each type in more detail. Type A inspection. First, we have Type A inspection bodies. These bodies are fully independent from the parties involved. Type A bodies must demonstrate complete independence from the design, manufacturing, supply, installation, purchase, ownership, use, or maintenance of the items they inspect. They operate on a commercial basis, providing inspection services to various clients. This high level of independence ensures that their inspections are objective and free from any potential conflicts of interest. An example of a Type A inspection body could be a third-party certification agency that performs safety inspections for multiple manufacturing companies. Type B inspection bodies. Next, we have Type B inspection bodies. These are defined as inspection bodies that are a separate and identifiable part of an organization that is involved in the design, manufacture, or supply of the items they inspect. Type B bodies conduct inspections solely for their parent organization. While they are part of a larger organization, they must operate independently within it and ensure unbiased results. They do not offer their inspection services to external clients. For example, a Type B inspection body might be a quality control department within a manufacturing company that inspects products only for internal use. Type C inspection bodies. Lastly, we have Type C inspection bodies. These bodies can perform inspections for their parent organization as well as for external clients. Type C bodies are somewhat similar to Type B bodies, but they have the added capacity to offer services externally. They need to maintain impartiality and avoid conflicts of interest even though they are not fully independent from their parent organization. This flexibility allows them to serve a broader range of clients while still adhering to the standards requirements. An example of a Type C inspection body could be a subsidiary of a company that provides inspection services to both its parent company and other businesses. Importance of choosing the right type. Choosing the right type of inspection bodies is crucial. It ensures compliance with ISO 17020 and guarantees the integrity and reliability of inspection results. Organizations must carefully assess their needs and the nature of their operations to select the appropriate type of inspection body. In conclusion, understanding the distinctions between Type A, Type B, and Type C inspection bodies is essential for maintaining compliance with ISO 17020 and ensuring high-quality inspection processes. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions about these types of inspection bodies or how to determine which type is right for your organization, please feel free to ask now. Thank you.